Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Made Clear. Today I'm discussing probably the three best um, derivatives trading markets or platforms online. So if you want to know more about this, just wait and see. Um, Before I do, I update the spreadsheet. These are the first 26 coins that I bought and spoke about on my chat on my other channel, Crypto with James. If you invested $100 to each of these when I release videos about them, and you were still holding that crypto, you've been in profit for over 25 grand. They're not the coins I own anymore. If you want to see the coins I own, you can come check out Copy My Crypto. It's where I share every coin I buy, every coin I sell. Right now, guys, we are heading towards a bear cycle. There's no doubt about that. We're in it. And that's a phenomenal chance to start buying some real quality cryptos at really low prices. I've already started talking about a few that I'm really excited about on Copy My Crypto, and the moment I think any of my very long list of cryptos can do have hit the target points where they can do a 40x, a 50x, a 100x. I'm going to be sharing them with the members. So if you want to learn about that, there's a link in the description. Right, three best in terms of options trading, futures trading, derivatives is probably number one. Actually, you know what? In no particular order. Bybit is very, very good. So on Bybit, they've got a lot of different perpetual contracts. So you can go through Bitcoin. You know you're going to get Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. There's a number that you're going to get. But they have got a really extensive list of perpetual contracts here. Really, to be honest, massively impressed with the sheer number, because one thing that is an issue, if you wanted to do it on Binance, there's not many altcoins really on there comparatively. Bybit has a ton of these, and there's certainly some reward in terms of how in terms of trading rewards as well. So you get bonuses depending on if you join them, the length of time you join for. So they've got like deposit blast off bonuses. I'm not shilling any of these, by the way. There's no link from me here. But yeah, sign up, log on, register for the event, meet the deposit requirements, basically. So if you make your first deposit, you'll receive of 1 Luna, you'll receive $100, 15 USDT, and so on and so on and so on. So you'd have to deposit like $100 gets you $1 worth of Luna. But you can do 100,000 US dollars will get you $3,000 bonus. With derivatives, guys, I mean, I've spoken about derivatives before on my other channel. One thing I'll say is you have to be so damn careful. If you're using leverage, you really do need to have a solid understanding of charts, because when you're doing derivatives trading, this isn't about fundamentals. This is about chart analysis, TA. And if your TA is on point, then fantastic. You might do well. But if you are new to crypto, this is not something to touch, because you have to understand how charts work. It's that simple. And if you don't have an understanding, don't touch it. But Bybit, in terms of bonuses, is very, very good. Phemex is next. Again, phemex have got some pretty decent bonuses, and there's a ton. It's always worth googling the or looking up the potential bonuses. On phemex, you're only getting a welcome bonus of $100, which is not amazing, obviously. And if you sign up, you can get a $20 bonus as long as you make a single deposit. Well, $10 bonus as long as you make a single deposit above 3/1000ths of 3/1000ths of a Bitcoin, or 4% of an Ethereum. I don't think. Let's have a quick look, see if there's anything. I don't think there's anything specifically about Bybit other than the ones I said. Then you can follow them on social media if you've got verified your identity verified, you'll also get another $10. Then you've got advanced bonuses, so $60 whenever you deposit any of the following, and so on and so on and so on. So you can actually accrue a decent amount of bonuses. But again, if you're then doing contract trading, if you're effectively doing perpetual trading, derivatives trading, you've got to be goddamn careful, because it's so easy to lose money, and it can happen in a heartbeat. If you don't understand leverage, don't touch them again. And the last one is FTX. FTX is outstanding. FTX is probably going to end up being, it's already the second biggest exchange online. It could tackle Binance's position down the line. I don't think it will, fundamentally off of the basis that Binance have their own token, their own, not just their own token, but their own blockchain, and their blockchain, I think they're going to add so many layering solutions to it. It's going to end up being insanely strong. But FTX is outstanding. In terms of their futures market, it's pretty bloody good. I said Bybit had a lot, but these have 250 futures contracts, and this is, if you're looking at doing trading, or if you're looking at doing futures or derivatives, this is where you probably want to go. They've got a hell of a lot on offer. In terms of bonuses, I'm not sure what is about for them at the moment, to be fair. I know they have their own cards and stuff, but no, I'm not seeing necessarily anything about reward. Oh, I did see rewards there. Come on, there we go, rewards. One thing I'll say, it's a bit clunky. Rewards, let's try that again. There we go. Lifetime rewards. Yeah, definitely a bit clunky. Maybe that's just the rewards that you accrue over time. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything that's necessarily suggesting that there's decent welcome bonuses. I'm sure there are somewhere, because it's in their interest to offer something. Deposit to your account, FTX account, VIP status. No, something to do with climate change. 1% donated to effective charities. Okay, yeah, nothing. Okay, nothing particularly interesting. So not necessarily tons of promotions on FTX, but obviously they've had a Super Bowl commercial out and stuff. So I'm sure, although according to news sources, that didn't exactly bring in tons of volume. But we're not having tons of volume in crypto at the moment anyway. So, but people's attention was certainly drawn to FTX as a result. This is outstanding, like I said, in terms of a trading platform. FTX probably the best, to be honest, in terms of the potential, in terms of the options for what you want to trade. But yeah, Bybit, definitely good amounts of ways to earn money on Bybit. Phemex has decent promotions for new users. And to be fair, FTX is just brilliant. So it's sort of your preference. One thing I will say, and I really want to reiterate this, guys, if you are new to crypto, careful on these sites. Leverage wrecks any new investor, especially anyone that's not familiar with chart patterns. If you can't read short-term charts, if you don't even know how to figure out where lines of support, lines of resistance are, if you can't read a stochastic, if you can't read oscillators, if you can't understand what the RSI is or moving averages, this is not for you. These kind of platforms are for advanced traders, and they're outstanding in terms of what they offer. If you're an advanced trader, then these are ones you want to look at. If you're looking to become an advanced trader, then the first thing you've got to do is start learning charts. It's that simple. If you can learn the charts and understand TA, then you've got a hell of a shot of potentially earning some crypto. along the way. And that's it for me. If there's any, like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification so you know when new content's coming out. If there's any particular topic area you'd like me to cover, then let me know in the comments down below, and I'll try and do that. And that's it from me. And if you're new to crypto, if you're not happy with how your investments are going, or you're not sure where you're going with your investments in terms of now we're heading towards a bear cycle, then you can come check out Copy My Cryptos, where I share the coins that every coin I buy, every coin I sell. I'm starting to talk about the bear cycle investments that I am looking to make when I think they can 40x, 50x, 100x. I'm going to be sharing them with the members. So if you want to know what they are, click the link in the description and check it out. That's it for me. Take it easy. Bye-bye.